The silent evolution of human faces. You look at your face every single day. It feels familiar, almost ordinary. But your face is one of evolution's greatest masterpieces. Every curve, every muscle, and every expression carries millions of years of history. Long before cities existed, long before the first written word, evolution was quietly shaping the face staring back at you. And the strangest part? Your face wasn't shaped only to survive. It was shaped to connect. Around 7 million years ago, our earliest human ancestors looked nothing like us. They had heavy brow ridges, powerful jaws, broad faces built for a harsh world. Their lives depended on strength, endurance, and finding enough food to survive. Then the world changed. Forests slowly gave way to open grasslands. Our ancestors walked farther than ever before. Groups became larger. Cooperation became essential. In this new world, communication became just as valuable as strength. A face that could send clear emotional signals became a powerful survival tool. More than 150 years ago, Charles Darwin proposed that facial expressions evolved because they helped animals communicate long before language existed. Fear, anger, joy, disgust, each expression carried information that could save lives. Imagine spotting danger without hearing a single word. One frightened face could warn an entire group. But evolution wasn't finished. At some point in our evolutionary history, our ancestors learned to control fire. Many scientists believe cooking transformed the human body in remarkable ways. Cooked food became softer. Less force was needed to chew. Over thousands of generations, human jaws gradually became smaller, teeth shrank. The face slowly became flatter. Fossil evidence suggests that changing diets played an important role in reshaping the human skull. Then another transformation began. The human brain grew larger. As brain size increased, the skull expanded to protect it. The forehead became higher. The face shifted beneath the brain case. Modern humans developed a rounded skull unlike any earlier human species. Yet one feature remains a mystery. The chin. No chimpanzee has one. No gorilla has one. Even our close relatives, the Neanderthals, lack the prominent chin seen in modern humans. Why do we have one? Scientists still debate the answer. Some researchers believe the chin strengthens the jaw. Others think it appeared simply because the human face became smaller over time. Another hypothesis suggests it became more noticeable through sexual selection. For such a small piece of bone, it still raises one of evolution's biggest questions. Then came something even more extraordinary: emotion. Humans use more than 40 facial muscles to create thousands of different expressions. Psychologist Paul Ekman spent decades studying facial expressions across different cultures. His research suggested that emotions such as happiness, sadness, fear, anger, surprise, and disgust are widely recognized across the world. A smile can cross languages. A fearful expression can warn complete strangers. Long before writing, your face was already telling stories. And it still does, even when you believe you're hiding your feelings. Tiny movements known as microexpressions can appear for less than half a second. Research suggests trained observers can sometimes recognize these brief emotional signals before words reveal them. Your face often speaks before you do. But evolution also shaped the way we see other faces. Within moments of meeting someone, your brain begins making rapid judgments. Can they be trusted? Are they dangerous? Do they seem friendly? These first impressions happen almost automatically. They are often wrong, yet they may have helped our ancestors make quick decisions in dangerous environments. Today, those same instincts still influence friendships, interviews, and everyday conversations. Your face is also completely unique. No two human faces are exactly the same. Even identical twins gradually develop subtle differences throughout life. Genes provide the blueprint. Experience completes the design. Every smile leaves tiny marks. Every hardship leaves a trace. Time quietly writes your story across your face. When archaeologists uncover ancient skulls, they don't just find bones, they find clues. The shape of the jaw, the curve of the forehead, the size of the eye sockets. Each feature reveals another chapter in humanity's journey. Your face is connected to every face that came before it, from ancient hunters crossing African savannas, to farmers building the first villages, to explorers sailing unknown oceans, to astronauts looking back at Earth from space. Millions of years of evolution are reflected every morning in your mirror. It is easy to believe your face belongs only to you, but it doesn't. It belongs to a story that began millions of years before your name existed, a story shaped by survival, by cooperation, by love, by fear, and by time itself. The next time you look into a mirror, remember this. You are not simply looking at your own face. You are looking at millions of years of evolution, still speaking in silence.